Okay, so this is second video. Don't forget, I'm going to discuss first the format. So I put the color yellow. Okay, so this is the first thing that we're going to to build. So if you look at, there's no structure. The format is a bit confusing. If you want to check the formula inside that, then you can see there's a couple of mix up, quite jumble between input and formula. I don't think it's quite easy to really understand this for the user, and it's though we can get the NPV here, but the model is it's quite scary, yeah, because that's why we need really to split, to remove and to put in the different part of this Excel spreadsheet, so we will know that this is the so basically we're going to build a title first, and then you have input as usual, or you can use like assumption, and then you have management summary, and then you have the process or calculation, and then you have the result or the answer or the result. Okay, so there's a four, 1 2 3, and then we have 4 and 5. Okay, so there's a 5 box we need to really build. Okay, just have to delete this. Okay, so there's a so I think we already have the title. I will leave it first. Let me insert that for the couple of line, and then I just have to block it in a different color, so it's easy for you to really focus on that. I will put like a red here, so this is like I don't know, just put here, and then okay, so you can see that this is like a if you don't need grid here, you just go to the view, and then you can take the grid line. Okay, so basically this is the model. We already have the title 1, but we don't have the input. I think we already have a calculation mixed up with the input, so I just have to insert a couple of rows to make a space or room for the input. So I think you just have to check. So cost of equipment, you can see this is the hard coded. So basically this is the input. So I need the input or assumption. Okay, and assumption is cost of equipment. Cost of equipment, and then you have what else is okay, then we have this year. We just have to copy that. I will copy to here. Hopefully it's working. Oh no, I don't know why. Just copy that, and then I will paste it here, and then you have the maintenance. Okay, and then you have installation, and then you have a reduction in overhead, and then you have a saving in production time. Okay, so you can see this is all the hard coded is basically the input. So I just have to move it here. Control C, and then I put here. Okay, we leave it there. So I have the cost of equipment, This is sorry, no, sorry, just okay, just copy that and then I will put here. Okay, just have to delete this. Okay, and then for the cost equipment is I just move it here. The format is not really good. Just have to probably move a bit far, a bit from here. Okay, and then we can like insert that. Okay, so I leave it there. Okay, so we already have this assumption box. This is the input. We need the management summary here. So I just have to management summary. Okay, I copy, I move it here. Okay, so I need the management summary here, somewhere here. Management summary. I don't know what to put there, but we can put like a MPV. LM, come on. I just bold it, and then we can put like a MPV here, net present value. Okay, so this is the result. I just bold it, and so we already have the assumption. So this is the calculation. Okay, and then we have the result. I'll put here result. Okay, just bold it. Okay, so we already split that between title, project model. This is for the what you call is NBV. Okay, and then you have assumption. Just bold it, I guess. And then you have the management summary here, and then you have the calculation, and then you have the result. I can put like a different color here so you can see the split between each section. So I just put like a yellow. Okay, and then the calculation and the result. Sorry. Okay, we are done with the format. So this is the first point. Just have to save it. Continue this. Yes, and then that's the first point, and then we're going to learn about the number format. Okay, see you in the next video.